This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Spacious Bay. Welcome to this newly 2020 built home. This is an attractive and popular floor plan. Entertain downstairs in this open floor layout. Spacious area with an island and countertops and plenty of cabinets, making it easy to host around the kitchen. Step outside as you gaze into the pond view within the privacy of your gated yard. Enjoy a backyard barbecue. Yes, the double gas grill is included, enjoying your food under the shaded pergola with lights and curtains for extra shade. This backyard is aesthetically pleasing, made for your convenience and enjoyment. The garage has epoxy flooring, making it easier to clean. The bedrooms are upstairs with a loft to entertain guests up there as well. All appliances included, as well as a water softener. Enjoy the clubhouse amenities such as fitness center, basketball court, picnic table, playground and pool. This home is only minutes away from I-75, conveniently located between Riverview and Sun City. Here is your chance to own a newly built home in family-oriented community without worrying about any construction delays. I have the keys, it's yours, call me. For more information,